Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the chapter number 3. Already we have completed up to the chapter number 2 in the previous class. In chapter 3, here we have to learn more about of the environment. So, let's we see whatever that given in your book. Here it is your chapter environment, and the chapter number is here the 3. This heading environment is the natural world of living and non-living things that surrounded us. एनवायरनमेंट क्या है? एक नेचुरल वर्ल्ड, प्राकृतिक संसार है जो लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स जो हमारे सराउंडेड है. ओके, द सेकंड लाइन, द लैंड वी लिव इन, water we breathe in, what we drink, and the soil in which we grow plant and trees are all natural resource. We find in our environment. ये सब चीज़ हम क्या करते हैं? अपने पर्यावरण से, प्राकृतिक से प्राप्त करते हैं. एयर that we breathe and the land that in which we live and the water that we use for the drinking and the soil in which we grow the plants and trees. Okay. Next here, without the resource cannot survive on earth. बिना इस रिसोर्स के हम क्या नहीं कर सकते? अर्थ में सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते, मीन्स जीवित नहीं रह सकते हैं. It is therefore essential that we take good care of them all. इसलिए यह भी ज़रूरी है कि हम क्या करें? उसकी देखभाल करें, अपने एनवायरनमेंट की. But very often we put these things into harmful यूज़. लेकिन फिर भी हम क्या करते हैं? इस चीज़ों के ऊपर हार्मफुल यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक. एंड ऑल्सो वी डैमेज आवर एनवायरनमेंट, और हम अपने एनवायरनमेंट को डैमेज, क्षति पहुंचाते हैं, हानि पहुंचाते हैं. These acts are causing harm to the environment is called pollution. और इसी एक्ट जो क्या करते हैं? एनवायरनमेंट को हानि पहुंचाते हैं, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? पोल्यूशन. Things such as smoke or the waste matter that pollute the environment are called the pollutant. और वो things means वस्तु, things जो क्या करते हैं? और the smoke like the धुआं, waste matter जो हमारे पर्यावरण को प्रदूषित करते हैं, और उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? pollutant. And that things is called the pollutant. There are the four main types of pollution. First type of pollution is air pollution. Second, we have to learn the land pollution. Third, water pollution. The fourth, noise pollution. So student, in this class today, here we will learn up to there are four main types of pollution. Students, remember that how many types of pollution is there? Four types of pollution. First, air pollution. Second, land pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. In the next class, we will discuss more about of these types of pollution.